Get over here, guys. Come over here. Hezzy.
Hezzy's not even the furthest away. It's George and Gabby. I don't know what they're doing over there at those chairs. They've learned how to go over the rungs of the chairs. And for some reason, that's fun.
Get up, Scott. Hey, I'm gonna pinch hot. Every time you bite me, I'm gonna pinch.
Oh, just be careful with him. You've been flipping him all around the place.
He's flipping himself. See you later.
Hezzy's tail was Hezzy's tail wagging. It's like he's got to get a bite and then he takes off. Look at your nose. You're a happies. You are. All I hear are feet. I don't see. Oh, there they go. That's George. I'm not going to be able to keep up with him. Oh, and there. I'm trying to move my feet. That's George right there.
Is he peeing?
Who, George?
No. Yeah. Yep, he just peed.
Oh, George. Didn't we do this earlier today? Every time I want to get cute video of him, it's done before I get my phone.
Really?
Well, it looks like we're slowing down. How long do you think we were out here?
20 minutes.
20 minutes seems to be our limit.
Yep.
I wanted to take them outside today. It was too wet.